Deep within the tangled heart of a rainforest, unseen, unknown, a virus stirs. It leaps from creature to human, a microscopic entity with the potential to upend our world. It could be tomorrow. It could be years from now. But the question isn't if, but when. We live in a world interconnected, a global village where a cough in one corner can quickly become a storm on the other side of the planet. The next pandemic could arise from anywhere, a silent threat carried on the winds of chance. History tells us this much. We are not strangers to the darkness a pandemic can bring. Yet, are we doomed to repeat the mistakes of the past, or can we harness the power of technology to avert catastrophe? The 1918 influenza pandemic, a global tragedy, swept across the globe, leaving millions dead in its wake. A century later, the COVID-19 pandemic crippled economies and brought life as we knew it to a standstill. These events, etched in the annals of history, serve as stark reminders of our vulnerability. We must learn from these experiences. We can no longer afford to be reactive, scrambling for solutions as a virus circles the globe. The key to our survival lies in anticipation, in predicting and preventing the next outbreak before it becomes a global crisis. But how do we predict the unpredictable? How do we stay one step ahead of an enemy we cannot see? This is where the transformative power of artificial intelligence comes into play. Imagine a world where outbreaks are identified in their infancy, where the silent spread of a virus is met with swift, targeted action. This is the promise of artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to analyze vast quantities of data, offers us a glimmer of hope in the fight against future pandemics. Platforms like Blue Dot and HealthMap are at the forefront of this revolution. These sophisticated AI systems scan news reports, social media feeds, and even animal health records, searching for whispers of unusual disease activity. By recognizing patterns and anomalies, these systems can alert health officials to potential outbreaks before they spiral out of control. AI can analyze travel patterns, predict the spread of a virus, and even identify high-risk populations. This information empowers governments and healthcare providers to mobilize resources effectively, implement targeted interventions, and ultimately, save lives. Section 4. The imperfect algorithm. Navigating AI's limitations. However, the path to AI-powered pandemic prediction is not without its challenges. As with any technology, AI has its limitations. The accuracy of AI predictions depends heavily on the quality of data it receives. In a world awash in misinformation and incomplete data, this poses a significant hurdle. Furthermore, the ethical implications of using such powerful technology cannot be ignored. Issues of data privacy, algorithmic bias, and equitable access to AI-powered healthcare solutions must be carefully considered and addressed. The power of AI is a double-edged sword. We must tread carefully, ensuring that the tools we develop are used responsibly and ethically, always prioritizing the well-being of humanity. Section 5. A future forged in data. Can AI save us? The future of global health hinges on our ability to harness the power of technology while navigating its complexities. AI, despite its limitations, holds immense potential to revolutionize the way we predict and respond to pandemics. Imagine a global network of AI systems working in unison, constantly analyzing data from every corner of the planet, identifying emerging threats and guiding interventions. This interconnected web of intelligence could potentially help us avert pandemics, saving countless lives and safeguarding the future of our species. However, the question remains, are we, as a global community, ready to embrace this future? Are we willing to address the ethical dilemmas, invest in research and development, and ensure equitable access to these life-saving technologies? The answers to these questions will determine the fate of humanity in the face of the next global pandemic. Click here to watch how AI is shaping the future of business. See you in the next video.